To a Beauty Works launch event tonight, so I need to look good because there's going to be a lot of pretty people there. We need a glowy chest to start this off because this always makes me feel so good. Open this Red Bull because I need some energy. Tell me right now why my NARS foundation looks like that. I need to clear it up because every time I go to use it, I just get foundation all over my hands. I'm just going to take my NARS pot concealer first, actually, and just cover up any blemishes. And wait for this to dry down a little bit before I put my base on. Otherwise, it will just move about and it will defeat the purpose of putting it down first. I'm going to go in with the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I'm going to take my Cocoa by Chloe. No, the sponge I'm on about. Anyway, oh, that's pretty. I want to go for like a really bronzy glam. Go in with my like trusty products that I know work. So I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Tan Tool. Carve out this eyebrow because this is not a look. Because I'm going for like a bronzy makeup look, I'm going to take this from e.l.f., like a really orangey shade, but you can blend it in to be like really beautiful. I want to be glowing from the gods, so I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. Once we powder and everything, this should like shine through. Blend that in, see that glow. The colour corrector from Huda Beauty, it's like a peachy colour. Blend that out. It's the shade Cotton Candy. You ready to play now, girl? Ready to do your job, in fact. We honestly don't have any other job than play my music because I don't ask you to do anything else. Should have got the Alexa, girl. Google, want my money back.
Spotify.
No, you're not. You're not playing Spotify, are you, though? I'll take Sweetie. We need to powder this bitch up. Take the one size powder because this girl will have your under eyes looking like they never existed. Look at my under eye. If magic in a tub, and this will last you forever, so I do think it's worth the money.
Ain't nobody come to see you, Otis. Look.
Is that line referring to Otis from Sex Education? Because I really feel like it is, otherwise I've just lost it. Anyway.
I'm a hot girl. I do hot shit. Finish income on my outfit.
Sorry, I just had to get in my groove then, but I'm on my bronzer, by the way. I just had some thunder, which is not ideal because I don't have an umbrella if it rains. My Vive blush in the shade Pesca. Orangey colour, and it's going to match the cream we use. No hailstones. Getting worse. I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics palette. Do I use any other palette at this moment? No, but for a bronzy eye, it's just sensational. Anyway, I'm going to skip it because it's a bit boring, but if anyone would like a tutorial, comment down below because I think the masses would prefer just to not watch a smoky eye. That might be one of the prettiest bronzy smoky eyes I've ever done in my life, and I'm sorry I didn't film it. These are the pigments I use. From Hourglass, they're so pretty. This one's in Scattered Light and this one's in Reflect. Mixed together, curl the lashes. Go in with my One Coat Wow from Huda Beauty. I think these lashes are going to level up this eye look somehow even more. These are in the style Bliss. While the lashes are dry, I'm going to do my lips. I'm taking Tiramisu from Rimmel. I'm going to take this from Maybelline. This is their Vinyl Ink lipstick, shade Activated. Let's pop these lashes on. Okay, that is literally perfect. I don't think I've ever been more obsessed with a makeup look. This to actually stay in place. This is like hairspray in a bottle. Finish this off because I don't want it to budge. Right, now it's time to sort this hair out and get my outfit on, but I need to go. So thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.